In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Microsoft Loop with external users. For those of you unfamiliar with Microsoft Loop, it's a collaborative tool designed to streamline teamwork across various platforms. Sharing it with external users can help you collaborate with partners, clients, or anyone outside your organization. So let's get started and walk through this smoothly together. First, you'll want to navigate to your workspace within Microsoft Loop by opening the application. This workspace is where all your collaborative efforts are centralized. If you haven't already set up a workspace, you'll need to do so to follow along. Once inside, you'll see all your projects and pages laid out, which is where you'll manage what specific content you wish to share externally. Next, look for the Share option in the workspace, which you can usually find at the top right corner of the interface. Clicking on Share will open a series of options on how and with whom you can share your workspace content. Remember, the ability to access or modify depends on the permissions you set at this stage, so it's important to configure your sharing settings with precision. Once you've opened the sharing options, you'll see a choice titled Access to all pages within the workspace. Clicking on this ensures that you're allowing external users to access everything within the specific workspace you're sharing. This is particularly useful if you're working with consistent external partners who need a broad view of all your work. However, be cautious with this setting if your projects contain sensitive information, as it grants wide-ranging access to your workspace. After that's set up, you'll need to enter the email addresses of the people you wish to share the workspace with. For our process today, let's imagine you're entering a Gmail address, but the process will be similar for most email providers. Ensure that the emails are correctly entered to avoid any sharing mishaps. If they're entering a different domain, double-check that your organization's policies allow external sharing with entities outside your company's email domain. Finally, you'll click on the Invite button. This final step sends out the invitations to the external users, allowing them access to the shared pages within your workspace. They will receive an email with the link to join and view the shared content in Microsoft Loop. It's a good practice to inform them about this invite in advance, so they're on the lookout for it. Once they accept, they can start contributing to the project seamlessly. And there you have it. You've just successfully shared your Microsoft Loop workspace with external users. Remember to review your sharing settings regularly to maintain the security and integrity of your projects. Thanks for watching. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy collaborating!